Hey guys, it's Cam from EasyA. This video is going to be on the sine rule, the cosine rule, and the area of a triangle. So let's get started. We can use Pythagoras' theorem to find side lengths in right-angled triangles. But if we have a triangle that doesn't have a right angle, what do? Well, we can use the sine rule. The ratio of the side length to the sine of the angle opposite is the same throughout the triangle, and you'll have to memorize this. Let's use it to find side length A. First, substitute in the numbers, and then we can rearrange to make A the subject. Then, type this into your calculator to find the answer. We can also use the sine rule to find unknown angles. To do this, we need to rearrange the sine rule by flipping it upside down. To remember this, just put what you want to find on the top. We don't have to rearrange, but it makes the calculation much easier. So, let's find angle A. Start by substituting in the values for the sides and angles, and then we have to use inverse sine in order to find the angle A. Sometimes the sine rule can be confusing as your answer will appear wrong. To show this, let's try find the angle B in this triangle. Same as before, substitute in and rearrange to find B. The problem is that B comes out as an acute angle when we can see it's actually obtuse. The problem is that there's two triangles that would give this value for B, and we found it for the wrong one. This larger triangle here is what we found B for, but it's easy to fix. Just subtract our answer from 180 degrees. This will give us the answer we're looking for in the original triangle. Now let's look at the cosine rule. This is quite similar to Pythagoras' theorem, and when the angle we use is 90 degrees, it reduces down to it. The cosine rule is helpful when we can't use the sine rule. Let's use it to find the side length A. I've labelled the sides B and C here next to the angle, although these can be either way around. Start by substituting into the cosine rule as usual. It's important that angle A is always opposite the side length A, otherwise the cosine rule won't work. So we found a value for the side length A. We can also use the cosine rule to find angles in triangles, although we need to rearrange it first. Let's find the angle A in this triangle. We can't find this with sine rule, as we don't know any of the other angles in the triangle. So, write down cosine rule, and then we need to rearrange to make the angle A the subject of the formula. This may look complicated, but it's just a series of inverse operations. You could either remember the rearranged version, or just work it out for yourself each time. Now that we know the angle A, we can use another formula to find the area of the triangle. You'll only need to know how to use this for higher level. This works for any triangle, as long as C is the angle between the two sides A and B. This will be hard to work out with the normal area of the triangle formula, as we'd have to work out the height of the triangle. But this formula makes it easy. Thank you for watching this EasyA Maths Recap video. Check out our YouTube channel for more maths recaps, or get the EasyA app on the Apple and Android app stores to get unlimited on-demand maths tutoring right from your smartphone.